Indian police establishment has asked the Doda District Police to identify all those people supporting the demand of right to self-determination. According to Kashmir Media Service, the directions were passed during a so-called security review meeting in the district chaired by the Deputy Inspector General of the Doda Kishtwar Ramban Range, Sridhar Patil. All parties Hurriyat Conference has said that the freedom from India is the dream of every Kashmiri who is facing the Indian state terrorism and political injustice and has been living in a state of fear in the occupied Kashmir for the last over 7 decades. According to Kashmir Media Service, APSC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas in a statement in Srinagar said the tension in the region is threatening to the neighbors. An elderly civilian was deliberately hit and killed by the Indian Forces vehicle in the Bandipora district. According to Kashmir Media Service, the civilian identified as Habibullah was hit by the Indian Forces vehicle in the Gulshan Chowk area of the district on Saturday. Hollowness of the Modi government's development mantra in occupied Kashmir post-August 2019 again got revealed as the devotees in the Bandipora continue to face extreme difficult conditions to pay visit to the famous Sufi shrine in the district in the absence of a road. According to Kashmir Media Service, the shrine of the Baba Daud Khaki, locally known as Char Yar, has been craving for a road in the village of the Bandipora district. Chairman of Anjuman Awqaf of Jamia Masjid Srinagar, Mirwais Umar Farooq, chaired a meeting at the Jamia Masjid to review the arrangements in and around the Grand Mosque ahead of the holy month of Ramadan. According to Kashmir Media Service, the meeting was attended by all members of the management of the body of the Jamia Masjid. 2, including a woman, were killed and a woman was injured in different incidents in the occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, a woman was found dead at her accommodation in the Hamzapura area of the South Kashmir's Islamabad district.